Boom! Bang, 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 bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another GTA LSPDFR Thursday Patrol. Yeah, man. Last patrol we did we used the I think it was a BMW. Today we're gonna be driving this Dodge Ram, which I like, man. This is a nice Dodge Ram, man. I don't know, I kinda like these ones. This model a lot. I know some people who got heavy ass engines under these Dodge Rams, man. Word up. So I'm gonna be driving this today on our patrol. Hold up, let me get my So 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. 21 gun salute. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're a first time viewer, do remember to do the same and also share the video. And welcome to the channel. Word up. Thanks for your support. It is much appreciated. Yeah. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _X. And check out some of those videos, man. Also on Twitter, _X, Jamaican J4. Yeah. Big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man. So let's get with it. See what this Thursday brings. Yeah, man. I'm gonna be doing some voice acting today too, man. If needs to be. If need to be. Yeah. Alright. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
10-4, copy that. 10-8.
Alright, you know what? Let me go get my... I need to put on some, my armor. Replenish armor, yeah. I mean, y'all can't see nothing, but it's in there. Yeah, man, I like this Dodge Ram, man. Yo, big up Typical Gamer, big up me being me, Fitzy1582, Money Bag Gaming. Big up yourself, man, big up, big up. Alright now, man. Dispatch, give me something, I'm ready. Yeah, baby, it's Dodge ready. Alright, dispatch is taking long to give me a call. So I'm gonna run some plates in the meantime. My automatic license plate reader. I guess that's what it means, right? In it. Yeah, man, I'm a country boy in my pickup truck. You don't know how we do it up here, right? Come on, dispatch, man. Give me a call. If not, I'm just gonna force one. Park up right here. Dispatch, show me en route.
Attention all units. We have an air unit down and...
Respond code 3, where is it? I don't see nothing, bro. Dispatch ain't nothing there, man. Respond code 3. Oh, no. Oh, look at that bullshit right there. What was that? Yo, what the fuck is going on here? Dispatch requesting fire unit.
Fire truck. Assistance required in grapeseed.
Wow, what the fuck is going on? Is that guy okay? Yo. I ain't going near that shit. Probably explode. Get my ass back over here. Damn, yo. Look at that. Pilot. Oh, yo, this guy, you lucky, yo.
This state has gone nuts. 187 was not their lucky number.
Work with me, damn it!
Work with me, damn it. Damn, man. The police helicopter crash. Oh, man. Thursday is not looking good. Dispatch requesting a coroner unit out here.
Assistance required in
They didn't
grapeseed.
make it.
Yo, you know what? I need to change my radio animation to shoulder. Shoulder. There we go. Oh, man. What a Thursday. Look at this, man. Maybe I need to slow the traffic down. Slow traffic down. Yeah, man, y'all slow down. Don't want to have to bitch slap nobody this Thursday. Yo, bro, you should like. Let me get you a cab, man. Let me get you a cab or something. Go home to your family. Call your Uber, bro. Are you okay, man? Yo, man, you're lucky you survived this shit. Got an Uber coming for you, bro. Stay tight. Stay right there. Alright, man. Hold tight, bro. I think you should go to church, man, tomorrow. For surviving that. There go your Uber, bro. You know what I think? I think some of these call-outs don't work with it on my immersive dispatch. Dispatch 7 Frank 11. Okay, let me run some license plate. It's crazy. How the hell?
Dispatch to 7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
10-4, copy that. 10-8.
Yeah, man. So let's force some of these.
Citizens report a public nuisance, a bicycle heading northbound on Sonora Freeway.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, copy that. 7 Frank 11.
Let's go find out what's going. She said something about a bicycle on the freeway. This call out works best if you what? Man, I don't want no. I don't even know what they're talking about up there. Let me turn this off. Oh, yo, what is this guy doing, bruh? Julio, yo, get off the street, man. I want to talk to you, bro. Yo, don't play with me, man. Why you riding all the way over there? Like you want me to walk after you. Get over here, man. What you doing on the bicycle on the freeway, man? Let me speak with you, man. Yo, bro. Good evening, sir. I am on the internet is. Please, sir, you have any idea why I stopped you? No telling with you pigs. Who the fuck he's calling a pig? I don't even eat pig, bro. I don't even eat pigs. You ain't got no fucking manners, man. You're gonna have to get the fuck off of that bicycle now. For talking to me like that. Get the fuck off. Now.
Wait!
Yeah, you wait. Bro, let me question this guy. Man, you have anything illegal on you? Are you high or drunk? What the fuck you doing? I'm a good citizen. Oh, is that so? Alright, motherfucker, we gonna find that out. We gonna see for ourselves. But you must be on something to be riding on this highway. You see, you got fucking PC. Yo, man, do not play with me, man. You got fucking PCP.
Fucker.
Hey, no wonder you're riding on the highway. You got needle and everything.
Officers report a suspect placed under arrest in Santiansky Mountain Range.
Word up. Let me pat him down, make sure he's good. One more time, one more pat down. See if I miss anything. Okay. Dispatch requesting transport.
Roger that. Transport required.
Yeah, over here, brother. I hope you don't park in the damn road. Oh, it's a girl. Okay. Hey, Betty. What's up, Betty?
Degenerate!
Yeah, get that degenerate out of here. And let me... Oh, you know what? He could leave his bicycle right there, man. When you get out of jail, you could come for it. It's going to be waiting right there for you. Word up. Dispatch. 7 Frank 11. Code 4.
10-4, code 4.
Thank you.
Dispatch, show me 10-8.
10-4, 7 Frank 11. Begin patrol.
Dispatch, show me 10-8. I think she showed me 10-41.
Roger that. 10-8.
I mean,
Attention all units. We have a driver out of control. Vehicle last seen in Santiansky Mountain Range. Units respond code 2.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, copy. 7 Frank 11.
Why they keep talking about a
Citizens report a HVY Biff truck.
Biff truck? Okay. I forgot what is a Biff truck again, but let me go up here. I see. What's these green signs up here? What's this? What the hell is this? That's a truck that's dropping the.
Suspect last seen near Sonora Freeway.
Oh, that's a. Okay. I'll come back for that. I don't know what he's dropping though. Is those garbage or what? She said Biff truck. Must be that truck up there, huh? What the fuck is a Biff truck, man? I see no damn Biff truck. Hold up. Why that guy driving like that though? So they say, oh damn. So they're saying he's going that way. All right. He's heading for Biff truck. I forgot what a Biff truck is. I really do. But let me just keep going. Okay, so this is a Biff truck. All right. And they all, oh, look at these guys. Oh, he's the one lit. Oh, man. You're dropping all this garbage all over. Oh, my God. Look at this. Yo, dude. Pull that shit over, man. Look at the street. If there's a public safety hazard, you can press Y to call for a contractor safety to pick up the bulky items. Oh, okay. Let me see. Y. Call for bulky items. There we go.
All units, a MTL Packer semi-truck is en route.
Talk to this guy, man. Yo, man, you know what? Get the fuck out, bro. Get out. I'm so mad right now. Just get out. Because you're littering the whole fucking place, man. Dispatch requesting code 2 backup.
Assistance required on Great Ocean Highway.
Oh, that's a truck that's cleaning up the garbage. Oh, that's cool, man. Oh, yeah, bro. You're jackknifing.
This is David Charles, 12, copy.
Oh, look at this idiot. He left the look where he left the trailer. Oh my God, yo. Yeah, you, man. Back to you, bro. Yo, watch that guy over there in the passenger seat, man.
Hold it! Hi there.
Yo, bro. I didn't want to ask you no question, man. Because I just don't want to. Let me just
You're going away for a long time.
putting some cuff on you, detain you for a while. Find out what's going on here. Come over here, man. Let's get out the street. Yeah, watch that guy, man. Talk to this dude right here. Alcohol. Bro, you got, I smell alcohol on you. Let me ask him if he was drinking. Where's the drinking? Oh, okay, here you go. Sir, have you been drinking? I don't drink alcohol, nigga. Oh, you don't? Alright. Let me get a breathalyzer test, man. You know? Make sure you wasn't drinking.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm. What's the result? Oh, okay. Let me give you a next test. Drug swab test.
Thanks.
Oh, the guy came back for the trailer. Okay. Oh, he's negative. Oh, okay. Still gotta pat you down, bro. Gotta find out why you. That guy will never turn that truck, bro. He will never turn that truck. Alright, man. You stay right there.
Wait!
Yo, get the fuck out, bro. Let me talk to you. Yo, bro, do you have anything illegal on you, man? Because you guys are up to something. Perhaps I have some. Okay, perhaps. Let's make sure. Let's not guess. Alright? Let's make sure you ain't got shit. Alright, pat down. Yo, this guy will never move this trailer, man. Oh, you got fentanyl, so you going to jail?
You'll run for arrest, fucker!
Okay, I'm gonna need some check on the truck and this guy right here. See this guy right here. Dispatch requesting ped check. Okay, okay. Active warrant. None. You got no warrants. Okay, okay. Guess if I could get a plate check. Dispatch requesting a plate check.
Target vehicle license plate 66 William Paul X-ray 889ers. Target is 10-4.
Alright, man. So, basically, I should just give him a ticket for littering. But I'm just gonna take the truck away from him. Dispatch requesting insurance company pickup.
Assistance required in, not Chiliad.
Okay. I don't know. I should. This guy is clean. I don't know what I should do. But he was littering the whole fucking highway. That's an offense, man. That's a state offense. And you're going to jail, bro. Dispatch requesting transport.
10-4, copy that. Transport required.
Oh, Ranger. Yeah, what up, man? Hey, what up, Billy, man? How you doing, bro? How's the family, man? Yo.
In all my days.
Yo, here come you guys Uber right here.
Hello.
Alright, Billy, man.
Thanks.
See you later. Man, what's this vehicle? Alright, we out of here. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
Yeah, man. This Thursday start off with crazy helicopter crash. I never seen that before. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Show me 10-8.
Roger that. 10-8.
What the fuck is that guy doing right there? What kind of driving was that, bro? I'm gonna pull this guy over, man. Pull over, man. I didn't like that drive you just did right there. Dispatch requesting plate check. Damn, I be fucking up. I gotta tell her I'm on a traffic stop.
Target vehicle license plate 27 George David Victor 555. Target is 10-4.
Dispatch, show me on traffic stop.
Go ahead.
Well, let me talk to this guy, man. Driver seemed to be nervous. Question the driver. Intro. Hey, how are you this afternoon, sir? Doing wonderful. And yourself? Oh, I'm doing great, man. I don't like the way you just drove out on me around the corner there, man. Like, I really feel like bitch slapping you for that. Let me stop. Yeah. Can't help myself. Alright, man. Let me get some documents, man.
May I see your ID, please?
Because I don't know why the fuck you nervous for. Stay right there, man. Let me go run all these papers, man. Okay, Ped. His name is what? Jake Moore. Jake Moore is good. Vehicle. Saddler. Everything is valid. Alright, I'm gonna give him a warning, man. Because he didn't really do no harm. Because he seemed to be a good law-abiding citizen. Alright, man. Listen, man. You watch. I want to know why the fuck is he nervous. Alright, you know what, bro? I'm gonna let you go. With a warning, though. Don't let me catch your ass around here again.
Behave yourself next time!
Dispatch 7 Frank 11. Yeah, man, that guy lucky.
Dispatch to 7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger 10-8.
What's going on here? Oh, you're gonna pull that guy over, I could tell. Man, I scratched my damn shit up. Damage right there. Alright, dispatch, you ain't giving me no call. I'm gonna run plates. Trying to find somebody who has a warrant. That's what I'm really looking for. Somebody who has a warrant.
Yo, mamita. I'm gonna be thinking about you tonight.
Yo, that guy didn't even stop at the stop sign, man. Like, Jesus. Bro, come on now. You can't just... You can't just run the stop sign like that, bro. Is he going... Is he leaving me? Okay.
Application report. A 148 on
You ain't getting nowhere, bro.
Union Road.
Dispatch requesting backup. I know something was up with these guys.
Backup needed on Union Road.
Roger, dispatch, we are en route. Dispatch, we got eyes, we're in pursuit.
Yo, that guy hauling ass. Get him, get him. Watch it there. Yo. Good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit. Back him in. Good shit, bro. Let me stop traffic, yo.
Suspect on foot.
Fucker!
Yeah, let me get another patrol unit around here. Dispatch requesting code 2 backup. Dispatch requesting code 2 backup.
Backup needed.
Fuck you
in,
telling me about tow truck? I ain't say tow truck.
Grapeseed.
So let's see what's going on here.
We'll assist.
Got an old guy in the front, and who's that in the back? All right, old guy, we're gonna find out what's going on here. Get your ass out, bro. Look at him closing the door.
Hold it!
Don't be closing the door, bro. You don't want me to take my flashlight and bust you upside your head now. Okay, you keep flapping your wings. Let me just...
You leave him to me.
Let me just...
You're going away for a long time.
Let me just detain everybody until I find out what's really going on here. Why y'all trying to elude the police? All right. You come over here. Stay right here. Don't turn around, man. You keep looking that way. And then you. Get him out of there, man. Yo, why the fuck I can't get him out of there?
Wait!
They're ready to shoot you, bro. You better calm down. These cops are not taking no fucking. Yo, they're not playing, man.
The Iron Hotel for you, buddy.
Yeah, what's going on here? All right, man. So now we got everything under control. We could like let the traffic dispatch show me 10-6.
Hey. 10-4, copy that. 10-6.
Yo, watch it, man. I'm trying to get my car out the road. So I could let the traffic move. Keep this traffic going. Alright, man, let's search this car. Oh, nunchuck brief. Oh, all of y'all going to jail. Shit, I already know that. Trust me. When we all go to court, then y'all could figure out who you all want to take the charge, man. Right now, all of y'all taking this charge. Yo, pat this guy down. Oh, yeah. Pat that guy down. Thank you. And pat this fool down right here for me too, man. Let's see what they got. Look at heroin. Look at that. Illegal prescription. Yo, these guys are just. This was a good pullover. Dispatch requesting transport.
Roger, transport required. Assistance required in Grapeseed.
You maggot!
Dickhead!
And one more for you. Dispatch requesting transport.
Roger, transport required.
Speed you up.
All right, get him out of here.
Traitor! Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Park ranger.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we out of here. I think
Too kind.
I gotta get rid of this truck too first.
You're too kind.
I'm too kind. You're too kind. Dispatch requesting tow truck, flatbed.
Flatbed, assistance required in Grapeseed.
All right, we out of here. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
Hold up, what's going on here? Hold up. I see somebody head. Hold on. Hold on, tow truck. Hold on. This person.
Citizens reporting vehicles racing in Grapeseed.
No, man, why is this guy leaned over like this? I can't deal with that racing right now. I wanna
Roger, dispatch. We
I wanna pull over. I wanna pull over this person. I wanna know what's going on here with this guy leaning over like that. I wanna know what's going on here, man. You see that guy laying down like she killed him? I don't know. I hope he's sleeping. I hope he's sleeping for your sake, woman. Dispatch requesting code 2 backup.
Assistance needed on Union Road.
Oh, I forgot to tell her I'm on a traffic stop. Dispatch, show me on traffic stop. I keep forgetting that.
Copy, dispatch. Victor 13 is in the area.
Go ahead.
Dispatch requesting play check.
Target vehicle license plate 26 Boy Tom Boy Niners 4. Target is 10-4.
Hey there.
Okay, you see that guy laying down like that? Why is he laying down like that? This driver seems to be nervous. You're gonna leave after. Miss, please get the fuck out of the car. Thank you. Because I don't know what's going on here.
Hold it!
And until I find out what's going on here, I'm gonna
You're under arrest, fucker!
detain you for the time being. You're not under arrest, you're just being detained. That's how you know when your ass getting locked up and the cops tell you that. Alright, let's get out of the street. It's not safe here. See what you got. Oh, see, you got a handgun. Huh. I know you killed that guy. See? You killed him. Why I keep pressing pat down, man? Didn't I pat her down already? Grab, man. Grab. Damn. Come over here, lady. Stand right here. Dispatch requesting ambulance. I'm gonna find out what's going on here.
Ambulance. Assistance required in, Grapeseed.
Gotta change those ambulance, man. Get some nicer ambulance up in here. Oh, hold up. What's going on here?
I see the body.
All right, let's stop the traffic here, man. It's gonna be crazy.
It's not looking good.
Damn, lady, look like you're going to jail for murder. Oh, he's alive. Oh, you.
Fuck.
Oh, he's alive. Okay, that's good. Well, lady, today's your lucky day. Dispatch requesting transport.
Roger that. Transport required.
If you guys want me to do the paperwork and all that, you could please say so in the comment section, and I'll try to do the paperwork. But one disclaimer here: the video is gonna be way longer because the paperworks do take a lot of time. Yo, get that shit out of here, man! Making all that noise. Clear traffic. Go ahead, bro.
Pardon me, can you move?
Appreciate it.
Forgot to search a damn car.
Thank you.
Dispatch requesting tow truck, flatbed. Yeah, why is it saying my vehicle? No, not my vehicle, man. This vehicle. Dispatch requesting tow truck. Yo, why that Let me get out of here, man.
Fed. Assistance required.
That siren getting on my nerve.
Union Road.
Jesus. Get the fuck up out of here. Woo! That fucking siren is get on my nerve, man. When you playing this game with your headset on, that shit is very annoying. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
10-4, copy that. 10-8. We have citizens reporting a possible stolen vehicle in Grapeseed.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
I'm nearby. I'll take the call for you.
Roger. Respond code 2.
So I'm looking for a adder 4-3. Press to view the message again. Press Y. I'm looking for a adder. What's a adder again? Stolen vehicle. Oh, let me get off of here. Go ahead, man. Okay. The adder was just seen approximate low GPS system. Okay. I'm gonna find it. Man, I don't even know. I'll be forgetting the name of these cars. Adder. Is this a adder? I'm gonna stay behind this car and make sure this is a adder. If it say go right, that's him right there. What y'all running for? Oh, this guy's up here, man. I think he's on this highway somewhere. Yo, where the fuck is this guy? Saying over there, saying over here, saying down here. That must be him right there, man. Got to be. You know what? Whoever, y'all should just like make a description, man. A little picture of the vehicle or something. Because nobody remember what the fuck a adder is, man. I'm about to just like fuck off with this call. Who the fuck remember what an adder is? And dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional support needed.
I'd have to look in my GTA manual to find out what the fuck a adder is again. I don't remember what an adder is. I don't remember these damn cars. Like the name of them.
We've got a 503 on Sonora Freeway.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, copy. 7 Frank 11.
Wanted criminal, boy. Wanted criminal. Yo, no. Is it the red car or the blue car? It's a red car. Yeah, yeah, no, this is a sheriff right here, did you? Huh? Yo, where you going? Isn't she supposed to pull over on the right side? Pull that shit over. Oh my God, this lady's trying to get me upset. Thank you for pulling over so nicely. Nicely parked, I must say. Very nice. How much occupants in there? One person, okay. Dispatch, show me on traffic stop. Dispatch requesting play check. All right, you didn't find. Let me try again. Dispatch requesting play check.
Target vehicle license plate 61 Robert Union Zebra 682. Target is 10-4.
Well, I got a call on you, lady. Good evening, lady. How are you today? The weather could change out whether I have jugs or not. Oh, you got jugs? Okay, thanks for telling me. In that case, please, would you kindly get the fuck out of the vehicle? Thank you, ma'am. You're so kind.
Wait!
So since you're telling me you got drugs and you're confessing,
Going away for a long time.
I'll just lock your ass up. And thank you for making my job easy. Oh, yo, you better slow down, bro. Go ahead and hit me. If you think you're tough, go ahead and hit me, bro. I swear to God, I shoot you right in your head. You run my monkey ass over. Go ahead and hit me with that truck. I bet you that's your last day driving. Okay, what's her name? Have a seat around here. Let me go check this a here car. Adder. I gotta look what an adder is. I forgot what the fuck an adder is. Alright. Dispatch requesting tow truck, flatbed.
Flatbed. Assistance required in Grande Sonora Desert.
Alright, I'll take her in. Myself. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta put in that new traffic fluidity. Yeah, I gotta put that mod in there. So these guys could get the fuck out the street. Traffic fluidity. Oh shit, they're sending you to the big house, lady. Yo, open this shit up, man. Open this damn thing up. Yeah, let somebody else take her inside. I'm not taking her inside. Then let's send her straight to the penitentiary. She didn't even go to trial or nothing. She ain't go to trial. She ain't go to county jail. Oh, she ain't. She went straight. She went directly to penitentiary. Get that shit out of the way, man. Dispatch show me 10-8.
Roger that. 10-8.
What's these people doing over here?
Citizens report a prohibited radio broadcast on East Joshua Road. Units respond code 2.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, copy that. 7 Frank 11.
This pickup truck doesn't have a code 2 siren. It's just code 3.
Suspect last seen in a Bravado Yuga on East Joshua Road.
Okay, I know what a bravado is. Illegally broadcast. Okay. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Oh, that's him right there. Stay on the wheel. Pull that shit over, boy. I want to know why the hell you driving around here like that. Hey. Yo. What are you doing? Are you trying to get away? I know you ain't. Dispatch requesting code 2 backup.
Backup required on Marina Drive.
Roger. We're heading over now.
Dispatch show me on traffic stop.
Go ahead.
Requesting plate check.
Target vehicle license plate 48 Adam David Ida 111. A traffic felony. Approach with caution.
I sure will, dispatch. I'm not even gonna hold my gun, bro.
What's up?
Press Y. I need to ask you about that radio broadcasting from the vehicle, bruh. Drive off, officer, and no one will be hurt. What? You threatening an officer? Bruh, that's a bad fucking idea. I will have you in a body bag by the end of the hour. Huh. We are done negotiating this. Bro, we done negotiating. Get the fuck out, man, for talking to me like that. Talking about body bag and threatening a cop. Who the fuck you think you is, bro? I should knock you the fuck out.
Units reporting suspect neutralized on Marina Drive.
I like the color of his truck, though. So how dare you fucking threaten me, bro? Let me search up this vehicle. He got a burnt meth pipe in his pocket. I know you was a fucking crackhead. Oh, see, I found the broadcasting equipment. Dispatch requesting transport for this fool.
Roger that. Transport required.
Son of a bitch.
I like the color. Baby blue. Dispatch requesting tow truck. Flatbed.
Flatbed. Assistance required on Marina Drive.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, what y'all doing here, man? Drinking and smoking. This is a fucking idiot. Yeah. Yeah, man. So this is where we're gonna leave the Thursday patrol for today. You know, not a lot of shootout in this one or nothing like that. This Thursday was a more calming Thursday. But this is where we're gonna leave the video. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're a first time viewer. Your support is also appreciated, man. You know what I'm saying? Word up. Thanks for watching. God bless. One.